Hello guys, in this video I will describe how plot filter works and I hope you find answers why. So low amount a plot passes filter in Chia constants document on the forums, on Reddit, everywhere development content, and let's try to find why. There are two functions in the Chia code responsible for passing the filter passive plot filter and calculate plot filter input the called from the first function. I will try to explain in plain language what's going on here. We have three parameters plot in challenge hash and singing point. All three parameters are SHA hashes. On each tree to pass the filter, we are concatenating the strings and generate another SHA. This is hash from the result. We are checking bits representation of this hash, and if the first 9 bits is 0, means the plot passed filter. So why exactly 9? This is constant written in the code as well. Probably in the future, if developers want to increase filter difficulty, they can increase this number. But right now, we have rule that first 9 bits of hash should be zeros. Let's calculate our chains mathematical. Amount of possible combinations of numbers represent x in the power n, and where x is amount of possible combinations in the digit and n is number of digits. For example, if we have 3 digits, amount of the possible combination will be 2 in the power 2 because digits can be only 1 or 0. So in this case, 8 possible options. In our case, we have 2 in the power 9 because of 9 digits. It's 512 unique combinations and only one of them will have 9 zeros. That's why by math your chance is 2 from 512. There is linear dependency. More plots you have, more chance to pass the filter. If you have just 8 or 20 plots and you always see 0 on the screen, no worries, sometimes your plots passes filter. If you want to see how lucky you were for a previous day or month, you can check it. Unfortunately, our application shows just 5 last records. Okay, thanks for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye, guys.